Hello there. I believe you are blessed wherever you are, all over the world, regardless of the color of the skin, tribe, or nation. I would love to say to the Christianity world, hang on there, Jesus is our answer. All right. Blessed week in advance, all of you in the Christianity world. I would love to invite you on the service that we are going to conduct. 7 June. My family must be delivered. It is a service of families to unite and pray together as one and fight with family demons, family sickness, family problems, whatsoever may be your family is facing. So I'm saying to you, come. God will be down and angels will be down here. A lot of things shall change. I'm saying to you, I know many people. You inherited a lot of demons, sicknesses, evil spirits from your grandfathers, from your fathers, from your mothers. You never inherited something good. It is time whereby we unite and break that chain. It's time where you unite as a family, you break that chain, you break that yoke. I know God shall change that situation of yours. I'm saying to you, 7 June, my family must be delivered. Come one, come all. Just say to your family, we can disagree after. Let us agree for only 7 June and go and get delivered so that your family life may change. You can't be poor, all of you. You can't be demonic, all of you. You can't be sick, all of you. You can't die younger, all of you. There is a demon behind that. So I'm saying to you, come. God will be down there, will be fighting and setting families free. I'm saying to you, I know it shall be your Sunday. Come one, come all. I'm saying if you hear the sound of my voice, 7 June, don't forget, my family must be delivered. Remember, Jesus loves you. So do I. May God bless you. Thank you.